It's so dirty, bro. Look at this, guys. Oh my god. Just like I've been away from the vlogs, my car has been just sitting here outside, bro, being neglected. It's kind of sad. I have not driven this car in over a week. It's been just sitting outside. Probably the dirtiest the GTR has ever been. Look at the wrap, bro. Oh my god, dude. That's horrible. Yeah, we definitely got to get a car wash today, bro. What's up, guys? They watching another video. It has been so long, bro. Literally the longest break I've ever had in my whole history of YouTube. It's been 12 days since I uploaded, I think. Maybe 13 now, but long ass time, bro. I've been just going through some shit, bro. Some stupid stuff. What's calling me? I've been just going through some stuff, guys. Hopefully you guys all understand. Everyone goes through things, and yeah, it's just been like the most hectic, most stressful, most horrible last couple weeks of my life. But I don't know, I'm starting to feel a little better now, and I know I gotta make some content for you guys, and I also gotta make some content for me too, because I know a lot of people ask me, what do you do for a living? Bro, this is what I do for a living. And believe it or not, like taking those 2 weeks off actually like sets me back a lot, bro. So I gotta step it up. I gotta start posting more. And I know a lot of you guys are waiting for content as well. I know a lot of you guys actually rely on my content as well for days like this, how I'm feeling. When you guys are feeling down or feeling sad or feeling stressed, you guys come to my videos to get your minds off things and stuff like that. So that's a big reason why I want to start making more videos for you guys, because I know a lot of you guys rely on my content. Just like I do and other people. Like this past 2 weeks, all I've been doing is just watching YouTube videos. I'm just getting my mind off things and stuff like that. But anyways, I need to come back. I'm back. I need to start posting more. I'm gonna try to start filming more. The homie Hugo came into town this weekend, which is super sick. So we're gonna try to film as much content as we can. We realistically want to try to make like 3 videos today. But anyways, I'm sorry for the break. I'm sorry for the delay on the videos. I just hope you guys understand that. I've just been having a very, very stressful week, and a very, very hard week too, bro. But it's all good. We're gonna get through it somehow, and yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens, bro. Very sucky situation, but we're back. Today we're about to do a video that you guys have been asking for a very long time. I don't know why I've been holding off for so long filming this video, but whatever. I'll film the video now. I'll let you guys know what I'm scared of people roasting me, but who cares, bro? Honestly, at this point, that's what YouTube's about. Like, I gotta show you guys what's going on in my life and what happened in my life. This happened. You guys probably already see by the title and thumbnail, but this happened back in January, bro. I was looking at the date right now. January, like the end of January, January 28th something, I don't know. This happened, guys, and it was super freaking sad. I can't believe it actually happened. But it's been like, I think it's like 7 months now, bro. The car's been just sitting in my garage. Now it's here at my dad's work, but yeah, I crashed the E46, guys.
In other words,
the E46 is crashed, bro.
Put everything together what he just said.
Oh, and I've been hinting it for so long. Like, you guys know, like, you always see it in the background of my vlogs. I've always like just hinted it that something happened to the E46, but I didn't want to talk about it. The reason I didn't want to talk about it because I wanted to wait until I got like the parts I need so I could start fixing it and get it up and running as fast as I could. But guys, time goes by so fast, bro. Like, that didn't even feel like 7 months ago. I got a Z since then. The Z's been sitting there for a couple months now. Like, I've been slacking so bad on everything. So I just need to get back into it. I need to start grinding again, getting my head straight, and just making content again, bro. I have so much content that I'm just sitting on, bro. Like I said, 7 months ago, I unfortunately crashed the E46, guys, and it's been just sitting here, and we're finally gonna hopefully fix it soon, because I really want to get this car back up and running. I was watching like videos, like old videos from it, and like old photos, and I was like, dude, this car is beautiful, bro. Yeah, so like, it could be such a sick car. And I have it just sitting here. Like, it's actually so sad, bro. Like, the car's just sitting here for over a year, bro, since I've driven it probably. And I mean, I've driven it when I crashed it, but over a year since I drifted it, bro. Like, it's so sad, bro. It's such a sick ass build, and I'm not even like using it. Like, that sucks, bro. People have even offered to buy it, you know that? This whole time it's been sitting, I've been getting so many offers, but I don't want to let it go, guys. This car is like so special to me, and like, it's not a car I can just buy again, bro. Like, this shit was built, you know what I mean? I sold the E92. I could always buy another E92 again and make it exactly like that, but this shit was This shit took like a year to build, bro. It's completely unique and different than anything you've ever seen before. So anyways, let's show you guys the car. I know all you guys want to see it. If you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button right now. Smash the like button for me for being back on the vlogs.
You know what you do?
Let me know. I don't know. Don't let me know that.
Just roast him on the car.
Oh, also, big news. Hugo might be moving down here, like literally within a week or two, bro.
Yes.
He's finally freaking doing it. I've been telling him since I met him like 3 years ago, 4 years ago. I don't even know how long it's been, but I've told him every single day for years. And finally, I think he's making the move.
Everything's happening.
And hopefully it's like the best
Job,
thing.
transition, everything.
Hopefully it helps both of us. I don't know, we'll see. Hopefully it makes the content sick for both of us too, so it's gonna be tight.
You know what we're gonna do?
What?
We should cover it and reveal it like if it's a new car. You know how they do that?
Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Oh, it's gonna get stuck up.
Over there, that's
It's not gonna work.
Yes, it's gonna work.
It's a fail.
It's a fail, guys. Our video's a fail too.
Ta-da! Oh my god, that's so sad. Bro, it looks destroyed. What is this, bro? It's so sad, bro. The way this car looks, that's how I feel right now.
So they could be away.
That's how I feel right now. The way the car looks.
Oh. There's no way.
I know there's really no way.
There's no fenders. There's nothing there.
We have the fender. I did not break the fender. Look, the fender's on this side. Yeah, guys, look, the fender's perfectly fine. We didn't break it. We didn't bend it. Nothing. The fender's fine. I just unbolted it so we can look at the hidden damage. But anyways, look what happened, guys. I crashed the car. Obviously, all the impact was on this side. The rest of the car is perfectly fine. This is the wheel that was on it. Look how destroyed this looks, bro. Like, and I'll tell you guys the full story right now, but these were brand new wheels. 5 minutes old.
When they happened, it was, yeah.
Hugo was at my house actually when all
Probably
this
less
happened.
than 5 minutes.
So this
Of
is actually,
having the wheel on, bro.
and I actually posted the vlog, guys. I posted the vlog when I first rebuilt these wheels and we threw them on the car. If you guys remember, we went to the tire shop, got these wheels mounted, then we came home. All right, guys, we're done. Finally, we got some new wheels on the E46. And we finally mounted these wheels that I've had for so long just sitting there. And they look freaking sick. Comment down below, what do you guys think? After that footage, I put my camera down, I went on its first test drive, and literally not even 5 minutes up the block, I hit a curb. I went up the curb, bro. Like, it was so bad. It happened so fast. I don't know what happened, but as you guys can see, I did not hit it. I didn't just tap it, bro. I freaking smacked that curb so hard.
And look how clean the wheel looks like from right here.
Bro, they're brand new. Like, these are brand new wheels, brand new tires. Look, like they literally are brand new. And I just got back from the tire shop and look at, a waste of a tire, a waste of a wheel. Huge shout out to Conce though, because they got me a new wheel ASAP, bro. I freaking love Conce. We have so many, we have Conce wheels on every car. I'm actually gotta get a new tire for it, for the new wheel, because this tire's done. But it just sucks. A perfectly clean wheel, destroyed, gone. Perfectly good tire, gone. And the car was perfect, bro. We just got it back from the shop. We got an oil change. It was like ready to go.
It's another control arms. I think what else?
So yeah, this is all the damage, guys. My dad and I were trying to take it apart so we can see what like really broke on the car, and there's actually a lot of damage, bro. Like, obviously the whole coilover snapped. I wish it was still bolted on, but the coilover snapped in half. Like, completely. It snapped from up here. Look, you guys can see it still. Look at that.
There's no way.
It snapped off, bro. Like, even the top, what is it, top hat? Is that what it's called?
Well, when you were
It's
driving
still
the
here.
46, remember at home, the tire was on the bottom of the car.
Yeah, so so guys, so this is what happened. Like, I literally told Hugo, I was like, I'm gonna take it up the street. I didn't even tell you anything. I just took it up the block, went for a little test drive, and knowing me, like, I want to freaking drive fast all the time, I whipped it. I did like a little U-turn, and this car just has a lot of power, bro. I haven't driven in a long time, and I just was not used to it. I don't know if it was because maybe the new tires were on. I don't know, but it felt super freaking fast, bro. And I went straight into the curb, and when I hit the curb, I was freaking out, bro, because obviously this car is very illegal, bro. And what I was doing was probably very, very illegal too. Thankfully, no one got hurt. Nothing happened, bro. No one even saw it. Like, it was on the most dead street that you could possibly think of. So no one even saw me do it. Thank God. That was probably embarrassing. I hit the curb so hard, and the first thing I thought was, I gotta get the car home as fast as I could. I didn't even look at the damage. I just hurried up, put that shit in drive, and I drove it home, threw it in my garage, and it was dragging the wheel the whole way home. Like, I had to go up like a couple blocks, guys, and the whole wheel was just literally stuffed under the car. Like, all this was bent in, and I was driving it like that.
You're basically leaving a trail mark the whole way.
Yeah, there's a trail mark from where I hit all the way to my house into the garage. It was freaking horrible, bro. But I just wanted to get in the garage as fast as I could before like cops show up or something like that, or someone called the cops or something. You know what I mean? Like I knew I fucked up. I knew I made a mistake. I shouldn't have done that, but it sucks. Now I learned my lesson. I'm not gonna freaking take this car on the street and do stupid shit again. It's not worth it, bro. The car was perfectly fine. So this is bent. That's bent. The angle kit is very bent too. So we're probably gonna have to get a new angle kit. I don't know if we can bend that out. Homie Sam said he'll help me fix it, but we'll see. And Reaction too, shout out to Reaction, because they already told me that they'll send me a new coilover out. So we got that taken care of. We got the wheel. We gotta buy a new tire. I'm sure all this is good still. We should probably get a new one of these.
Yeah.
And a new angle kit. That's pretty much probably all we need, I think.
That's what I'm saying. It's not bad. It's not as bad as
it looks. It looks bad,
looks
bro.
horrible, but it's...
And then all this shit, like, I think it just clips. See, we're good, bro.
It looks new. It looks new.
Clean title.
Clean title.
Yeah, guys, it's so sad. E46 M3, the most beautiful car. I just need some love.
Sad with the wheels.
I know, the wheels are so clean. Anyways, guys, I know everyone has been asking where the E46 has been. Here it is. Oh yeah, the sticker's still there. Bro, it's so new. Like, I didn't even get to drive it. I drove it 5 minutes, guys. 5 minutes with these tires. Maybe not even 5 minutes, probably less than 5 minutes. And it happened, like, as soon as I threw them on, bro. It was the most stupidest and unfortunate thing ever. And like, when you do something like that, bro, you regret it so bad. Like, I'm like, you start thinking like, why did I do that? Like, I did not need to go test drive it, but.
Oh man, I remember you told me you were like, I crashed the E46. Now I'm like, you're lying.
If this never happened, we probably would have been drifting a lot already, like all freaking summer and all this shit. But it happened back in January, and it's been just sitting like this. So now you guys see, I gotta put money into this. I gotta put money into the Z. I gotta I had to put money into that. There's too many, and I want to buy an F80, bro. I want to do way too many things at once. So yeah, my mind is all over places, and yeah, I want to do so much things. But I just gotta start making it happen, you know? The car does start though, guys. It still runs. The engine's perfectly fine. Thank God, bro. Thank God it was just like this stuff. I wish it was just the wheel. I wish it was none of that stuff. But anyways, it still starts. Watch, I'll start it up real quick. I hope it starts. I can't believe this happened. I hope it starts. Oh, we got power. Still starts. Still runs really, really good, guys. Like, we did spark plugs, oil change. I think we replaced like some other stuff on the car, like coils and all that. It literally runs 100%. Like, it was ready to go onto the track again, but I got into the accident, so it sucks. But yeah, like, the car is up to 100% right now. Like, the engine's perfect, and thank God nothing happened to the engine. We're at my dad's work, by the way. If you guys are new to the channel, my dad works on helicopters. I don't know, maybe you guys are interested in these kind of things. So my dad knows what he's doing. He works on helicopter engines and crazy stuff, bro. I don't know. If you guys have been watching me for a while, you guys know that already, but this is his shop, and we have the car sitting here right now. Yeah, guys, look.
Turn it off. Turn that shit off right now. Oh my God, bro.
Oh shit.
This car is insane.
That shit's louder than the helicopter, bro. Damn. But yeah, guys, as you guys can see, the car still runs. It still sounds so sick. Still my favorite sounding car that I've ever heard, bro. Like, this car is insane, bro. And I love the hood exit exhaust. You guys can see the flames sticking out. Hopefully soon we get the shit back up and running and we can start making more drifting videos. I know you guys love those videos, and they're one of my most viewed videos too, like all the drifting videos with this car. So I need to get it up and running so we can start making more content. After we fix everything too and the car's like running 100% again, I'm gonna rewrap the whole car too. We're gonna do a whole new color. And yeah, it's gonna be sick. I can't wait. Just wanted to come here so I could show you guys and finally give you guys an update. And finally just post a freaking vlog for you guys. I know, I'm so sorry. 2 weeks, bro. Horrible. Can't believe I went that long without posting, guys. That was the longest I've ever went, and I've just had no motivation to post at all. Like, I did not want to pick up a camera. Shout out to Hugo though for coming down, and all the other homies too, trying to get me out of my room, because I've been just stuck, bro, in my room, bro. I have not got out of my room. I have not wanted to do anything, but all the homies are making me feel better. We out. Maybe get this thing washed today. Maybe. Or just leave it like this. Bro, it's sad. Like, it's honestly sad, bro. I usually have the GT in the garage and it's been outside for over almost 2 weeks. Alright guys, we're about to grab some food. This place is bomb. I'm about to put Hugo on real quick.
Ooh, how that kid, the one that the chicken, you know what I'm talking about?
No, bro. Look at this, guys. These are taquitos.
Alright, this is my first time trying it, but check it out. I'm gonna show you this thing, this meme. If it doesn't make me feel like this,
there's no word.
I better feel like that.
Vámonos. If you guys want to see what happened here, go watch Hugo's video. I'll leave a link down below. Hugo's filming this whole vlog today too. Bro, look how bomb that looks. Is it good? You didn't even try it, huh? Come on, Hugo. Bomb? Mm-hmm. Yeah, she looks bomb. But yeah, guys, that's gonna end the video right there. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It's probably a little short one. I don't even know, honestly. I think I talked a lot, but like I said, I'm sorry for the lack of vlogs lately. I'm gonna try to post every single day for the next like week or so, hopefully. Trying to film a lot of content while Hugo's here this weekend. If you guys did enjoy today's video, smash the like button for me. I appreciate it so much. Subscribe to the channel if you could. I'm about to start another video as soon as I end this one, so I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.